Welcome to the 5th class of embroidery, and this class I'm going to teach you laced running stitch. So this time what I've done is I'm going to use a pink thread. I have already made some stitches for you, and see how I have turned the stitch. Very basic running stitch, so we went this point. Sometimes you might have to adjust the stitch here so that you get a very neat corner. So this time I'm going to do on the blue one. Okay, do not forget to put the knot. Use the back side of the needle. You have to use the back side of the needle. Just keep it a bit loose. Sometimes there is a lot of twist in the yarn, so one should always remove the twist from the yarn by straightening the yarn like this. Push the needle at the end and then hold it and just try to remove the twist. This will give you very neat embroidery, because when you are moving the thread there is a twist which happens in the thread. So just untwist it little bit, just run your fingers like this. The extra twist will just go away. Use the needle again. So this is one of the very simple stitches, and this also you can adjust it once again also, right? So like this. See that? So you can decide the length of the wave what you want, but don't use both the hands. Okay, so if it's not even, just pull it a little bit, make it even. So that's this stitch. This is called a laced running stitch. This one is called a laced running stitch. Very simple stitch. So this stitch you can also try with the 2 rows. So you make 2 rows, every stitch is below this row, and you can just make a bigger lace stitch. It's called interlaced running stitch. So like this you can try many explorations in this. Thank you.